Good day, guys. Yeah, it's me again. Yeah, I want to show you guys how I took this particular trade on gold. That's the last week trade. That's our last week trade. As you can see, we set up to order. After we enter from here, we enter another trade from here. So let me show you guys how I took this trade, so you can learn from me. Um, I figure out another block in 1 minute time frame. Now this is the zone that break the structure. This is the zone that break the structure. So I figure out our other block in 1 minute time frame. Network. No, I don't think it's network. What happened to our new trade? Okay, it's going well. Hold on, guys. I want to check on my new trade. So this is the new trade I'm in. I will lecture you about this later. So let me teach you about this first. So this is how I entered this trade last week. That was was it last week? No, this week. That was Monday. Yeah, that was Monday. That was Monday trade. Yeah. That's this week. This week. This week. This week. This week. Yeah. This is last week trade. This last week trade. I'll show you that later. Let me explain to you first. Let me explain this to you. So I figure out my order block in 1 minute time frame. As you can see, guys, this zone take out this last high because break of structure. Can you see that? I think you can see it, guys. What happened to my network today? I hate way distance low. So this is my order block. As you can see, the fair value gap right here. And this is our liquidity. This is our liquidity. So market market break out this high. This is the zone that caused the break of structure. So market reversed to create a liquidity before market move up. Then market come back down to mitigate the other block. Though I did not take the trade immediately, market mitigate the other block. No, market first sweep the liquidity and go up. I don't even care about that. I don't even care because there's no last high right here that caused market shift. So I not even care about it. So market come back down. So this serve as our last high. But in 1 minute there is is it network or my cam app? Why this thing is very slow? I don't know. I hate it. So as you can see, as you can see, though this is the main couch though, but if you watch clearly, you will see this high did not break this low. Like in 5 minutes, it just sweep it. It just sweep it. So you have to that's why you must make use of all the time frame to confirm your trade before you set your order. So market break this low, little break and reverse back, then break it again. So this serve as our last high. That's my couch. Like for me, that's the couch. the way I confirm my market. Like that's the way I confirm my trade. So that served as my last eye. The market, immediately I see this candle close above it, I set my order immediately. Like I don't want to wait for any confirmation. Probably market will reverse back down here. I don't care. Like I just make sure my stop loss is below the order flow that caused the market shift. So I set my order and market move all the way up. Market move all the way up here. So when market get to this zone, market get to this zone, aha, and market started reversing back. I noticed like definitely market is coming back down to mitigate somewhere. So I figured out this fair value gap right here, this fair value gap right here. So I figured I market mitigated, then started moving up again. I did not take the trade immediately though, and I'm still in a trade. As you can see, like I'm still in one trade, so I have to wait for confirmation so I don't ruin my psychology on the previous trade. You get it? So I have to wait for like my confirmation. I have to be sure, like okay, market is ready to move up. So when market reverse back, guys, so it caused another market shift. Market shift, like just little breakouts, little breakouts. Like let me sum it. Just little breakouts, little breakout. Like okay, that's like to me it confirmed like okay, I think market is ready to not sweep. If it is sweep like this, like if it is only like weak that close and the candle close below it, I will not bother to, but candle close above it like a little, so that's as a confirmation, like for me, like serve as a like conference for me, like okay, I see the breakout, I see candle close above it, not weak. So I took this candle that sweep the liquidity right here. So and I not trade immediately. I not trade immediately, as you can see. Like I see this candle in 1 minute, like engulfing candle. So after this candle, after this huge candle close in 1 minute, then I place my trade. As you can see, the way market move, market even come back down to sweep this last liquidity before market started moving up. I still come back down to mitigate this low that sweep the liquidity, then started moving up. I thought I would hit stop loss though. I thought I would hit stop loss, but I don't care. I don't care. Like I just said, okay, at least I've tried my best. I've confirmed whatever I want to confirm. Let market do the needful. So I target this last high, as you can see. I target this last high. So that's it for. It wasn't on Monday. Like that was Monday. Like that was on Monday too. So these are today's trade. These are today's trade. I will tell you guys how I placed this trade. Like today, uh, I just came back. I supposed to catch the market though. Well, I wanted to have catch it from here because I have to wait for confirmation. If I want to enter my second trade, I like to wait for my confirmation. Like I just came back in and I see this like reversal. So I just said like what's going on in the market? Like let me figure it out. Then I do my analysis, then I catch it again. As you can see, I will do this analysis for you like tomorrow so you can see, or probably today. Thank you.